Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about complementary solutions. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So we need to do first the derivative of this one. We keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Later that we go to second the derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now we have this one. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here, and now we have like this. So we have e to the power of lambda s. We can do about factorization. Now we need to find the solution of this one. So if we calculate, and we have lambda equals to negative number 3 plus 1 over 2i. This is about complex numbers, and lambda equals to negative number 3 negative 1 over 2i. So in this situation we will have about y equals to yc, and that is about c number 1. This is about the constant number 1, e to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over 2i multiplied by s, because we change lambda into this one in here. That's why we have e to the power of lambda s, and we have c number 2, e to the power of negative number 3 negative 1 over 2i multiplied by s. So this one we can write like this. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.